Hello you guys, and what time is it? Let me see. Good afternoon. Welcome back to another video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I clean up the master bathroom. Since I moved into this house, I haven't had the chance to even share with you guys how the bathroom even looks like or even how to clean it. Going through my list of like videos that I have for you guys, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna be doing this one. Tell me, because the bathroom is out of control. It's crazy. It's just super messy and it's just filled with dust. And I was like, you know what, I just might as well just film it for you guys. So if you guys haven't already know, this is my new house. I did live in another home that was 2-bedroom and 1 bath. This house right here has 3 bedrooms and 2 bath, which is a lot bigger from the other house that we did live in. And this one's just, I'm still trying to get the hang of it, believe it or not. But yeah, you guys, I am going to share with you guys how I clean the bathroom. It's so much bigger from the other home that I did have. You guys will see what I mean. I'm gonna go share with you guys how I clean the bathroom. So let's go over there and get this video started, because I am super excited. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. And yeah, and I hope you guys like this video as much as I do. I love making these videos for you guys. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video for more future videos. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for all your love and support, and let's get started on this video. Hi guys, and here is my bathroom, you guys. I know you guys probably can't see with the camera, but this bathroom was so dirty and it needed a good clean. The mirrors were all dirty, and even this tub right here was super dirty and dusty. Believe it or not, we hardly use this one, but yeah, I just cleaned it either way. And yeah, so this is what my bathroom looks like. I'm not liking the colors of the bathroom. That's how we bought the house, and the flooring as well, but we hopefully change that later in the future. So yeah, this is the walk-in shower, and this is one of the things that I dislike cleaning from this bathroom, just because I haven't gotten the hang of it and the proper routine on how to clean it up. It's just empty, and that the one thing that bugs me is that shower caddy doesn't quite fit well. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys what my bathroom looks like, and hope you guys enjoy. So the only thing that I do have in my bathroom in here is only this little cute little setup right here. So what I do have is this the soap, a candle, and this cute little decor here with this little plant with this little glass vase. And that's all I do have, guys, because I don't like to have a whole bunch of stuff on top of the countertop, just because it literally overwhelms me. So this is all, and this is all that works best for me, and I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and dust and spray on all the products. That way you guys can see how I clean the bathroom. Right here, you guys, all I'm using is just the vinegar and water solution. I'm spraying it all over this window right here. And I thought about just cleaning it beforehand instead of just like after and getting all of my dirty shoes on top of or inside the tub. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just using a rag and wiping it away. Believe it or not, you guys, this window was filled with dust. I'm so glad I cleaned it. So what I'm doing right here, you guys, is just using this scrubber thing that I did get at the dollar store. In here, the mixture, I have dish soap and vinegar. This stuff is super amazing, you guys. I cannot stress it enough how I love using vinegar as a cleaning product throughout my whole house. It just leaves everything super shiny and super clean. I just love it so much. And yes, I'm in the tub just because I wasn't able to reach certain areas. But yes, this is one of the best scrubbers I've ever bought. I highly recommend it, and I actually like it a lot. Alright, you guys, so I just got done cleaning the tub and I'm like sweating. But you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to now the walk-in shower, and this is where I struggle the most. I haven't had the proper way on how to clean it up without making a mess. I go ahead and scrub it, and this is probably one of the least things in the bathroom that I like to clean, just because like I said, I don't know the proper way on how to clean it up. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray it with vinegar all over, because that's what I did with the other one and left it so shiny. And then put a little bit of what else do I have? A bar's keeper, so that way I can just go ahead and scrub it. So yeah, let me go ahead and share with you guys how I clean it. Alright, so right here, what I'm doing is I'm just using this brush that I got at Walmart, I believe. It's super amazing. I like how it goes in between like the hard surfaces, like hard to reach areas, I believe so. I am just acting like I'm loving this, but I'm not. I don't even know. I just dislike cleaning this area from this bathroom. But yeah, you guys, I feel like I'm doing a great job. I am doing amazing. Yes, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and just use this brush here and just brush everything away, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna just go ahead and use the water and rinse it all off. this is where I began the fun part. I'm just kidding. Just scrubbing the toilet away. I am not using any gloves, so I feel like I don't need to. This is my bathroom. It's my family's. I don't feel the need to wear any gloves, so I'm fine cleaning the bathroom just with my bare hands, which is absolutely fine. But yeah, you guys, I'm just using this brush and scrubbing it all away and getting in there, making sure it's nice and clean. Right here, you guys, I'm just taking a dry rag and just kind of drying everything away, all of the excess water that I left behind. It wasn't too much as I thought, but this is how I dry off all of this stuff. And you guys, I can't stress it enough, the vinegar left it super shiny and clean. I am so impressed with this thing, you guys. I love this stuff so much. I cannot talk about it enough. Guys, so for my mirror, it's super big, and I'm gonna be using my favorite of all time, vinegar and water, and just like a rag, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it and wipe it down. What I like about this product, you guys, the solution I mean, is that it literally leaves everything super shiny and super clean. And I'm probably using for this, I don't know if you guys can tell, probably not on the camera, but there's like a lot of like dust on the camera, on the mirror, and just like water specks all over. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up. And yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys. So what I'm doing right now is just, I went ahead and sprayed a whole lot of it. I did use a lot, I am fully aware, but this was a very huge, gigantic mirror, and I feel like I needed a whole lot of that solution on there so I can go ahead and clean it up and make it look super shiny and clean. But yeah, that's all I'm using right here, just wiping it away. And once this solution is all off the mirror, the mirrors start looking super shiny and clean. I just love this, you guys. guys, and that's it of this video. I am all done. It takes me longer to clean this bathroom because there's like so much stuff in there. Like not stuff, but the stuff are larger, and I'm still getting used to the hang of it, how to properly clean it. And if you guys have any ideas on how to clean like the walk-in shower, please let me know, comment down below, because I would like to hear you guys on how you guys clean your own shower in there, because I made a mess, even though you guys couldn't really tell, but it was so messy. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yes, I'm so happy that you guys like these videos, and I will talk to you guys later on my other videos. Take care, okay? I'll see you guys later. Bye.